subject of today's video is the 8 worst online businesses for beginners. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as high as 80% of the sales price, by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, let's talk about the 8 worst to the very worst online businesses for beginners, and then the 1 safest online business for beginners near the end of the video. Okay, number 1, dropshipping. Now, there's a lot of people making money on dropshipping, but these are usually people that have years of experience. I don't recommend this for beginners. In fact, I've been in dropshipping for almost 15 years now on Amazon and eBay, and things are just getting worse and worse. The customer return policies are getting way too liberal, and I even there are things like porch pirates and people claiming they never got their item when in fact they did. Defective products that you have to deal with at a customer service level. Then even worse is stuff that's out of stock and you don't know that dropshipper is out of stock of that item. For instance, I have over 2,000 items. It's almost impossible for me to keep a daily tab on what's in stock and what's out of stock. And then there's also shipping issues. We have a lot of items that are shipped by LTL freight, and appointments have to be made, and the customer has to be there, and it can become a big deal. So we are backing off our drop shipping business. Next would be surveys. The big thing with surveys, there's not enough income. You'll be lucky to make $10 or $15 a day. And eventually $10 or $15 will probably be the price of a gallon of gasoline. Who knows? Next you want to stay away from is multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes. This would be on the order of companies like Herbalife, where you're brought into the business by a person and then you owe that person a commission every time you make a sale, and then that person, as a person above them, they have to pay a commission too, and it just goes on and on to the top. You want to stay away from multi-level marketing, where your commission goes up the pyramid. Next would be SMMA. That's Sam, Mary, Alabama. That's Social Media Marketing Agency. This is where you would become an online advertising agency for retail stores like restaurants and beauty parlors. You do all their online advertising for them. Now, this can be lucrative, but if you're a beginner, this isn't going to work for you. You must have years of online experience in order to do these retail stores justice, or you're just going to end up getting fired. Next thing you want to stay away from is stock trading, such as Forex and day trading. Here again, this is a black hole for beginners. You must have a long and successful background in stock trading before you do this as an online business. Another thing is Amazon fulfilled for you, where you have inventory at the Amazon warehouse and they fulfill the order for you. Now again, this is kind of getting back to the drop shipping. You're going to have returns, you're going to have to deal with customer service, you're going to have defective products, you won't have out of stock because you'll know when you're out of stock, And then you might also have shipping issues where they claim they never got the item. So Amazon fulfilled is a dicey business to get into. Next is social media influencer. Social media influencer. This is a good business, but not for a beginner. You must have a huge fan base of at least 100,000 or more followers. Otherwise, getting into this social media influencer as a beginner is not going to work for you. And then finally on the list is NFTs and cryptocurrency. NFTs and cryptocurrency. It's oversold and overbought. And you know this when your taxi driver, your waiter, or your bartender is talking about cryptocurrency. You are just too late in the game. The really heads up, really smart ones have already been in and out of this and made their money. And you're just going to be picking up the droppings, which are like pigeon droppings. So don't get involved in that unless you are really on the ball about cryptocurrency. Now, that being said, what is the best internet business for a beginner? That would be affiliate marketing. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system, and you can find his link below. The best Google ad and clickbait training are with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I'm also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is also a giant in the online marketing business. In fact, Anthony has made over $100 million in the online marketing business. And Anthony has the dollar numbers and the Click2Funnels $2 million comma awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison or John Crestani or Devin Brown or Pajama Profits, just click on the links below and see what best fits your needs. Now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.